Well, hello everyone. I am Abhinav Pangaria. I'm the co-founder of Payzoll, and today I'll show you how we are building the first ever truly unified traditional finance infrastructure on Sui, combining the best of centralized rails and decentralized protocols into one seamless on-chain experience. Right now, Web3 financial services live in silos, separate apps for payroll, for fiat off-ramps, P2P payments, compliance, automation, etc. Every time you switch tools, you add complexity, friction, and costs. Teams waste time reconciling data and paying gas fees, while users wait days for the settlements. That fragmentation is killing productivity and stalling adoption of crypto. What is our mission? Our mission at Payzol is simple: unify the traditional finances and decentralized finances on chain. We are building a modular platform which is truly agnostic by design that brings together on chain payroll, fiat rails, recoverable P2P transfers, streaming payments, AI driven agents, and privacy preserving identity under all one hood. No more patchwork solutions, just a simple product, one single dashboard, and all the services. Our core offerings right now are on-chain payroll, fiat off-ramps, and recoverable P2P transfers, which I'll demonstrate to you now. So it's very easy to use. You come to global payroll, you set up your account. I already have. You log in just like you would log into any other simple application. It verifies you and it will give you all your details which you previously have made. You can connect your wallet, either Slush or Phantom, and then you get the options to connect to multiple accounts in your wallet to select tokens, either USDC, USDT, and change networks. We are live on both mainnet and testnet right now. So quick actions allows you to add your employees either one by one, or you can go on a bulk upload spree by using CSVs to upload your employees. It's as easy as that. You get logs of your transactions, the transaction that might have done, and you can export these logs to get detailed analysis. You have conversions here, you get the details about the current pricing of Sui, and the payment is very easy. You just select whoever you want to pay, you just do pay selected, and it will ask you for confirmation for payments. You approve it, as simple as that. Now what it does is in the backend is to verify all the transactions and store the logs of all the transactions so that you can further reconcile with your payments, and everything is stored for a clean audit trail. And by this we can easily see the payments have been done. Sooner or later the logs will also be created. Less than a minute ago we did the payments, so logs are created, payment completed successfully, everything works pretty fine. So similar way you can pay on mainnet, you can pay any amount of employees, you can pay using any token. We are objectively live for native Sui and all the object coins that are available on the Sui platform. Now our unique approach to this is our P2P service, what we tried to innovate. Now what happens is crypto is not being adopted for daily use payments, but we are trying to change that. You connect your wallet and you get an interface like this where you get the details of a very simple infrastructure where you can just put the wallet address, and you can even create an address book where you can get the details of your contacts. You can just keep the details of the wallet addresses like contacts. It makes it very intuitive and very easy to use. You get your payment histories, all the payments that you have done till now. And what happens is when you send a payment, until and unless the recipient is claiming the payment, you have the option to reimburse it. So I made the payment using this contract and I have the option to reimburse it. So if I reimburse, it will ask me if I want to reimburse my payment, and further it will give me that some coins will be coming into my wallet. I approve it and we'll wait for a second. It will ask for some confirmation and it's done. It will process, take a bit of time, payment registered and reimbursed. It will create the logs of that also and create the audit trail in the backend. Now for general perspective, for auditing and trails, we are using Walrus. We are using a decentralized storage-based approach so that we can keep immutable records of our transactions that cannot even be changed by us, maintaining absolute security and honesty. Now what address book gives you is an idea of the contracts that you can keep as contracts or wallets that you can keep as your friends, and you can send payment to them. Reimburse, you get the digest and the notifications as well, and it will be claimed in your registry, and it is the status changes to reimburse, and now you have no more actions here. And similarly you can use this to just make payments to your any entity. Now what we have added is a pilot feature to pay invoices and subscriptions. What happens is the company can issue an invoice or subscription to you which will be depicted on your dashboard, and you have to pay that. Either you can do is simply pay to the recipient address and the amount that you want to pay, Or what we have started is to you can split your invoices. You can just add a friend or add two friends and you do a split even, and you divide the invoice into them, and you can create a split bill for them. I have already made an invoice split for this, as I can show you. For this invoice I have created already a split which is between two friends, and when the friends complete your payments, you'll get notified, and then you can pay the complete transactional volume. Create invoice is a feature where you can directly come and create invoice for someone on this platform just by their email. So what we can try to do is a DApp like us can integrate with a universal merchant platform with the similar email based login, and we can identify our users there and here as well. So I'll show you. I have created split. I'll show you how the split works. I split between my friend one, so I'll take you there. When I log in, I connect my wallet. Okay, and this is it. We're on testnet. I'll check my split bills. It will show me whatever splits I have to pay. So it is telling me to pay 0.1 Sui. I have been asked for a split payment, so I'll pay, and it will process. Payment has been sent. It is processing. It's taking a bit of time. Yes, payment has been recorded and sent. So you can see 1 out of 2 paid. I have already paid. And what it will do is when I come to now my section, I am the one who created the split. So if I come here, connect my wallet, yes, and I can see in my splits that one of the entity has paid. You can see one is pending. So it is dynamic and updates everything at real time. For invoices, it's very easy. You can just do a payment and pay. And actually we are using Pith network for all the backend data streams for the conversion of price rates, and also our logs where we keep our blobs IDs and etc., and for our other data streams as well. And we can see in my payment history I have already paid my invoice. So in my invoices I have already paid it. It gets updated. Now the company can claim the payment, or I can reimburse before them claiming, or to cancel my services. And now this was all about P2P and payroll. Now I'll show you how we are using Walrus. Walrus is being used like this. When I update, we are keeping audit records of all the payments that has been made. So for invoices, for payrolls, for split bills, for payments. This is how we are keeping a clean audit trail record that can easily be used to identify any transaction and keep the platform completely clean and super secure and super honest. So this is all about the working of all the live services that we have right now. Now Payzoll is currently migrated from EVM change to Sui. Before coming to Sui and our performance enhancement on Sui, we had some matrices. We have processed payroll for 2 live B2B clients. We have converted more than $10,000 in off-ramp, and we have 1,360 unique visitors per week on our platform. This early traction has demonstrated the product's market fit and underscores the pain points we have been solving long before adding our Sui enhancements. And the next generation features that we're working on right now are AI powered agents to actually improve the adoptions of crypto on our platform on Sui chain, streaming payments and airdrop services. And we are also trying to partner with dApps on Sui to be our first pilot users and B2B users, and also partner with them to provide multiple other services. Now, why Sui is the perfect host? Migrating to Sui wasn't arbitrary. It's core to our future. We have parallel execution and sub-second finality, instant settlements on every payroll run and stream, even at global scale. We're an object-centric model. We have native on-chain objects for invoices and escrow, and identity means stronger security and ensures auditability. Move safety guarantees. Type safety contracts eliminates entire classes of bugs, and for us, we need to be very secure and very safe. So with Sui and its this strength of Sui, this core architecture of Sui, Payzoll can deliver our TradeFi grid reliability and throughput to every user without any trade-offs. Now, I would like to close my presentation and I'd like to thank you all for your time. We've proven the concept, we've built the models, and now we are harnessing Sui's power to actually go live in the market with this product. If anyone out there building on Sui for dApps, for infrastructural support, payments, DAOs, startups, or enterprise, we are there. Payzoll is there to be your infrastructural support. Together, we will bring the first unified traditional financial infrastructure on Sui and promote decentralized finance and on chain payments to the level it was meant to be. Thank you very much. And this is Payzoll.